So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix a firewall maybe blocking Spotify. Please update your firewall to allow Spotify, right? So if you are getting this error, what we can do is we can simply turn off the Spotify app. And the first thing that we can try is if we go over to here, right? And then we go down and click on General. What you want to do is scroll to the bottom and you want to make sure that you are not connected to a VPN service. So as you can see, for me, it does say not connected, which means that obviously that is not the problem and I am good to go to the next step. Now, if you are connected to a VPN, what you need to do essentially is to disable the VPN and then you should then be good to go to the next step. Now, if that doesn't work, what we can do is we can fully reset our device, right? So if we just force reset it here, so volume up, volume down, and then the lock button, and you just want to quick release each button so it would look like something like this, right? Volume up, volume down, lock button, and then you just want to then reset your iPhone device. So keep holding until you see the Apple icon. Keep holding, keep holding. As you can see, the device has now gone off, and then once we see the Apple logo, we can then release, and that's how simple it is to go ahead and reset our iPhone. And once it comes back on, that should fix the problem that we are having with Spotify.